Hey there. Want to keep an eye on your credit score for free? Signing up for SoFi's credit score monitoring is a simple perk for members that gives you weekly updates and insights. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to sign up. As a SoFi member, with a SoFi Money, Invest, or Loan account, you typically get free access automatically. Open the SoFi app and look for the Credit Score section, often in the main menu or under your profile. You may need to consent to a soft credit pull to enroll. Once enrolled, you'll see your score from a major credit bureau, updated regularly, along with the factors influencing it. My crucial pro tip? Review the credit factors breakdown regularly. Don't just glance at the number. SoFi breaks down what's helping or hurting your score, like payment history or credit age. Use this as a monthly checklist to guide your financial habits. Just like that, you add a powerful, free monitoring tool to your financial toolkit. How often do you check your credit score? Weekly, monthly, or only when needed? Let me know in the comments. For more free financial tools guides, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.